Let's go through how to use Surfshark VPN for TikTok. If TikTok is blocked where you live or you just want to see videos from another region, using Surfshark can help you do that safely and easily. The process is similar for desktop computers and mobile devices, so you can follow along on any device. First, you need to download the Surfshark VPN app. If you are on a mobile device, then download the app from Google Play Store or App Store. On Windows computer, go to the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type Surfshark. Once you find it, click Install. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection. After the installation is complete, open the Surfshark app. When the app launches, you'll see options to either log in or create a new account. If you already have an account, just enter your email and password to sign in. If not, click on Create Account. You'll be asked to provide an email address and choose a password. Follow the steps to finish signing up, then return to the login screen and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. The layout is simple and user-friendly. There are two ways to connect to a VPN server. You can click the Quick Connect button, which automatically connects you to the fastest server based on your location. Or you can manually choose a specific country. Since we're trying to access TikTok, pick a country where the app is available without restrictions. Some reliable options are the United States, the United Kingdom, and Canada. Click on the country name and Surfshark will connect you to a secure server in that region. It usually takes just a few seconds. Once the status says Connected, it means your IP address has been changed. This makes it look like you're browsing from the country you selected. Now, it's time to open TikTok. If you had the TikTok website open before connecting to the VPN, it might still use your old location. To refresh it, close the browser tab where TikTok was open and reopen the website. This makes TikTok detect your new IP address. If you're using a mobile device, the process is a bit different. Go to your phone settings, tap on Storage, then click on Apps, and then find the TikTok app in the list. Now, clear both the app's data and cache. This forces TikTok to reload and recognize your new virtual location. After doing this, TikTok should now show content based on the country you connected to. If TikTok was previously blocked, it should now work without any issues. You'll be able to browse, watch, and interact with videos as usual. Keep in mind, it may take a few seconds for content to load the first time. In case TikTok still doesn't work properly, don't worry. Just go back to the Surfshark app, disconnect from the current server, and choose a different country where TikTok is also available. Then, repeat the same process. Connect to the server, refresh TikTok, and check if it works. Sometimes, certain servers can be slower or temporarily restricted, so switching can help. Whenever you want to go back to your original internet location, simply open the Surfshark app again and click Disconnect. This will stop the VPN and return your IP address to normal. You can switch between different countries at any time, depending on what content you want to access on TikTok or any other platform. Now that you know how to set up Surfshark for TikTok, you can access all your favorite content no matter where you are. Whether it's region-locked trends or just faster access, Surfshark gets it done. If you want to give it a shot, check out the Surfshark link in the description. It's affordable and works like a charm.